Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how to create Activision account. In order to create an Activision account, first thing first, you'll need to make sure that the device is connected to an internet service and open up a web browser of your choice. After you open up a web browser, on the web address bar, type in www.activision.com. Now this is an official link for an Activision, so to create an account, you'll need to visit this link. And you can also find a link on my description box below. After you tell the link, you'll be into the official site, and this is how the interface is going to look like. As you can see right on top, you have two different options, sign up and login. If you already have an account, then click on a login button. If you don't have an account, sign up, which is right at the top. Now this is gonna take you to the sign up interface or the registration field. So to create an account, you can only do it with the help of an email address. If you don't have an email address, then make sure to create one and then enter in or provide in right over here. So quickly enter in your email address. Once you're done entering your email address, for the confidence, we type in twice. Just click on a sign up button, which is right at the bottom. Now this is gonna take you to the field where you'll be asked to create an activation ID. So activation ID means a username or a display name. So create it according to you. After that, enter in the first name and then the last name. After you're done with this procedure, click on the next button. In order to verify your age, you'll need to provide in your date of birth and then a location. So enter in the date of birth according to it. Make sure that you are above 18. Since you're creating an account, so you'll need to create a password as well. So create a password according to your criteria. After you're done creating a password, make sure to mark on this box, mark on the terms and condition as well, and mark on I'm not a robot as well at the time, and click on the next button, which is right at the bottom. If you have an account on any of these following, such as PlayStation, Xbox, Steam, Battle.net, any of these, you can link that as well. If you don't want to do it so, or if you don't have an account, then click on I don't have a network account. So as you can see that the account has been successfully set up, so click on the OK button and then you'll be able to see all of these information. And you'll also be asked to set up a two-factor authenticator. If you want to do it so, click on set up two-factor authentication, or else you can skip for now. As you can see right on top, instead of sign up, you have a profile, which indicates that the account has been successfully created, and in this way you can create your account. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.